Hi there. Let's move on to the next step, which is adding your template into your ShowIt account. Now, when you purchase a template, you will receive a PDF that shows you the share key that you can use to add the template to your ShowIt account. Now, this is the template of the PDF that you'll receive, and your share key will be right here. For the purposes of this video, we'll be using the Glam MedSpa template. Once you log into your ShowIt website, if you already have an existing ShowIt website, you will see a screen something like this. Now, in order to add the template, you will have to click on your name on the bottom left-hand corner. Click on Create a New Design. Now, if you've just created your ShowIt account by following the instructions in the previous video and you're logging in for the first time, this is the screen that you will see. Now, irrespective of whether you are a new user or an existing user, the steps from here onward will exactly be the same. And irrespective of whatever template that you've purchased, the steps from here onward will be exactly the same as well. We'll go over to your designs, click on Add Design to Library, and we will copy the share key from here and paste it over here. The share key to the Glam MedSpa template, and we will click on Enter. Now this will load the Glam MedSpa template into the design preview window. You can preview the mobile here or the desktop as well, and we will go ahead and click on Add Now. You will see a message that the design has been successfully added to your library, and you can close this button and you can click on this design and then click on Start with this design right here. Now, what will this do is this will create an additional site on your ShowIt account if you already have an account, or if you're logging into the first time, this will create a site with this template installed into your ShowIt account. Now, that is basically how you install a template into your ShowIt account. Super, super easy. Now, once you have successfully installed the template to your ShowIt account, you will see a screen like this. This is the ShowIt builder where you will be making changes to your website and then publishing them to the front end. Now let us quickly go over the UI that the ShowIt builder offers you. We have the site tab over here and we have the page tab over here. You will see on your right hand side, you have depending on what you've selected, this toggles between canvas and then sizing, text style, text properties. Let's go over them one by one. Now on the page tab, you will see the name of the page right here at the top. And these are sections that build your page. In ShowIt, these sections are known as canvases. Now there are two types of canvases in ShowIt. One is your regular canvas, something like this, and one is your site canvas, which is something like this. Now you might have noticed that site canvas is highlighted. That is because a site canvas is what you call a global canvas in ShowIt. This means that when you edit a site canvas on one page like this, it will be updated across everywhere that you have used this site canvas on your website. So if we have used the service over here, and if we have used the service section on other pages of the website, this change you make over here will be updated on the other pages as well. That basically is what site canvas is. The other thing that I want to show you is the site tab. For the design settings and media library, we'll be covering these in the other videos that are coming up. These are the site pages that comes with your template, and these are the blog pages that come in your template. We have blog, a single post, and a single category. Now these will be active once you've connected your domain to your ShowIt account, set up WordPress, and added blog posts. We will also be covering how to do this in future videos. And these are your site canvases. Now you can go inside a page and then edit a site canvas from within the page, or you can go over to the site canvases tab, make changes to the site canvases right from here. Now the next thing we want to go over is the different views of your website. This, what you see right here, is the desktop view of your website. This is how it will look on a desktop. Now, in order to switch to mobile view, you can click on the Show Mobile Only button right here. One of the amazing features of ShowIt is the ability to view both your mobile and the desktop previews at the same time. You can do this by enabling Show Mobile and Desktop icon right here, and this will show you a side-by-side view of your desktop and your mobile. You can collapse these side panels by clicking the small arrow right here. And depending on the size of your screen, you may not need to. Not only the size, but the resolution of your screen also matters. If you have a 4K screen, something like an iMac, this will be scaled to a very big size, and then everything will be accommodated within that one screen. For smaller screens, you can opt to collapse these panels and then have the view over here. Now I want to quickly show you how text editing in ShowIt works. What you can do is either on your mobile view or your desktop view, you can click on this text. It will activate the text box. So you might notice that you'll have to click on the canvas first in order to activate this. Activate the canvas. This is the first step. And then click on the text box to select it. You can scroll down and see that this is highlighted in mobile as well. You can double click on this and then change the text like this. And you'll see that this has been changed on mobile as well. Made a small error there. Let me do the H here like this. And you can also select the text over here, expand the right panel, and then go over to text style, and then choose from mobile or desktop. And you can change the sizes, you can change colors, and you can even change the fonts from here. You can also change things like letter spacing, line height, and the letter case. Or mobile, you can go ahead and do an uppercase if you want to. We'll keep it at a title case. You can change the inline links. Now what inline links means is once you highlight this, and then let's say if you want to highlight this text and link it to another page, click on this link button right here, and then you can link it to a page, you can link it to a canvas, top of the page, or a URL, email, SMS, phone. The choice is yours. We will link it to another page like single services. We will click on save. Now you'll see that this has been underlined. You can change this by going over to the text properties and then change the inline links color to something like number 3, and then format, no underline, and then leave it at that. You can change this for mobile as well. Go over to color. You can change it to number 2, hover color to number 3. Although hover, it doesn't really work on mobile. It'll just once when the user taps on the text, it'll change color. You can go no underline for both, and that is how you do it. Now in order to preview your changes, you can click on the preview button right here, and then you can click on the preview link, which will open the website on a new tab, and then you can see the text here. Now once you hover it, it'll change color and then underline. So that is basically how you change the text. In order to change the images, it is the same process. You can click on this image right here, go over to your right hand side tab, and then you will see the file right here. You can click on swap image and select one from your media library. So that is basically how the basic editing works in ShowIt. This is super easy, super intuitive, and you will pick this up in no time. In the next video, we'll be teaching you how to set up your brand elements in ShowIt. So stay tuned for that, and thanks for watching.